Hi, I am Anurag Yadav, a computer science student from Uttar Pradesh, India, and this is my submission for the Bitcoin 2025 hackathon, the Bitcoin Network Optimizer Dashboard. My project helps Bitcoin users make smarter transaction decisions by visualizing real-time network data like mempool size and fees in an intuitive web app. Built from scratch during the hackathon, it combines Flask, JavaScript, and mempool Space API to empower users in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin transactions can be costly and slow during network congestion. Users need a way to time their transactions to minimize fees and delays. My Bitcoin Network Optimizer dashboard solves this by providing real-time insights into mempool size, transaction fees, and network difficulty, helping users decide the best time to send Bitcoin. It is time for everyday users and developers to engage with Bitcoin more effectively. Let's dive into the demo. First, register a new user, fill password and username, and confirm password, then click on register. Clicking on register, it will show registration successful. The app uses bcrypt to securely hash passwords, ensuring user data safety. Now login in with user and password. The dashboard will be shown after login. Here is the core feature: real-time Bitcoin network data. The charts built with chart.js display mempool transaction count, hourly fees, and transaction volume fetched from mempool.space API and updated via WebSocket servers on ports 8765 or 8766. This fee history chart shows a dip in fees, signaling a good time to send a transaction. The mempool size indicates network congestion. The data updates every 60 seconds, ensuring users have the latest insights. Finally, you can log out securely, which redirect to your user page, clearing the session. The app is responsive, styled with Tailwind CSS, and works seamlessly on desktop and mobile. Now coming to the code part, I have made different pages like dashboard, index, user. In static part, I have make app.js. Technically, the app uses Flask for the backend, handling user authentication with bcrypt and sessions. The front-end leverages JavaScript and chart.js for dynamic charts styled with Tailwind CSS. I built two WebSocket servers to stream mempool data with failover on ports 8765 and 8766. The mempool.space API powers the data, ensuring accuracy. I faced challenges like a persistent server error in the login endpoint, which I debugged by adding detailed logging and fixing JSON parsing issues in app.py. I also resolved a dashboard 404 by ensuring dashboard.html was in the templates folder. All code written during the hackathon is open source on GitHub. I compiled with mempool.space API terms and bcrypt's license for third-party integrations. This dashboard makes Bitcoin more accessible by helping users save on fees and time transactions effectively. In the future, I plan to add predictive fee models using machine learning and support for Lightning Network data. Thank you for watching my Bitcoin Network Optimizer dashboard. I am excited to contribute to Bitcoin's ecosystem with this tool.